Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will see the concept of decimal, and this is especially for year 7 and 8 students, and we will cover the following aspects in this decimal topic. So there will be altogether 5 videos. Number 1 is on comparing, ordering and rounding decimals. Then it will be about decimal addition and subtraction, then multiplication of decimals, division of decimals, and word problems. So word problem will be in between also, but the last video will be totally based on word problems. So let's just start with the first video. To understand the concept of decimals number, you need to understand the place values very well, right? So if this is a decimal here, I'm first of all talking about left hand side. The first number, digit, for example, it is 5. Its place is unit, and place value is, its value is 5 and its place value is unit. Now if you see this second digit, which is 4, its place value is tens, right? You can see here. So it is what? 40. Value is 40. Then this one, third place value, we are counting from here of the decimal side. So it is 3 is hundreds. This is the place value, and value is what? 300. Then this 2, it is, place value is 2000. 1000, and value is 2000. So I am repeating, if I will read this number till here only, how will I read it? I will say 2345. So it is units, tens, hundreds, thousand. These are place values. And what are the values? 5, 40, 300, 2000. Okay, now come to this side, the right hand side of the decimal. This is the first digit, second digit, third digit. I'm talking about right side. This is called tens. So 6 is tens. I'm talking about place value. 7 is hundreds. Now see how do we spell it? Hundreds. Hundreds mean 1 divided by 100. I'm talking about place value. Now 8 is called thousands. It's not this thousand which you are seeing here. That is thousand, and these are thousands. It means divided by 1000. So these are the place values of 6, 7, 8. So if I ask you what is the place value of 6? Tens. 7, hundreds. 8, thousands. But now what is the value? Value of this will be 6 tenths. Value of this will be 7 hundredths. Value of this will be 8 thousandths. Right? And I'm sure you know divided by 10, 100, 1000, what does it mean? We will see in the videos later on. But I'm just telling you 6 divided by 10 is 0.6. 7 divided by 100 is 0.07. And 8 divided by 1000 is 0.008. Now it is very, very important to understand this, because you need the proper placing when you are adding or subtracting the decimal number. In multiplication it doesn't matter, but in addition and subtraction it is extremely important to put the digits in the right place value. Unit come under unit, 10 comes under tens, like this, okay? Now let's see you understood or not here, right? So first of all, I'm starting with number 1. Let me number it. This is 1. Let me use some other color. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now very quickly tell me the values of 4 in each number. So I'm talking about the first one. If you count here, there is no decimal, you see now. When there is no decimal, where is it? It is actually in the last. When there is no decimal, you see. So if you see left hand side, it is unit, 100, 1000. Sorry, unit, 10, 100, 1000. Unit, 10, 100, 1000. So value is what? 4000. And place value is what? 1000. THOUSANDS. Okay. Now if you see the second number, This is on the right hand side of the decimal. So what is the value of 4? 4 tenths, which is equals to 0.4. But what is the place value? Tenths, right? Tenths, or you can write 1 upon 10. Now in third case, the 4 is on the left hand side of the decimal. So first digit is unit, tens. So value is 40 because it is a tens place, and place value is tens. Now in the fourth one, it is on the right hand side of decimal. So first one is tens, this is hundreds. So value is what? 4 hundredths, which is called 0.04. And place value is what? Hundredths. THS, don't forget to write. So 1 over 100. And the last one, it is on the left side and first digit. So it is unit, which is 4. So it is called unit. Okay. So now you have to arrange them in the ascending order. I hope you understand the meaning of ascending order. Ascending order mean from smaller to bigger, right? Smaller to bigger. So first of all, you have to read the numbers straight away, right? They are all in three, as a whole number, there are 3 digits before decimal. So if I just read before decimal the numbers, the first one is 346. I'm reading later one later. Right now only these 346, 306, 361, 346. Now 46 are 2 here and here. Okay. 316, 306. Now 306 are also 2. This one and this one. And this is 361. Now 361 also 2 here and here. So now first of all, just seeing that number which is on the left hand side, which is the smallest here? 306. Agreed? Now 306 are 2. So which one? So out of these two, first of all I will decide which one is smaller. Okay. So now I will see the digit after decimal. It is 41 and it is 40. So if you see it as a layman number 40, some student read it 0.40, 0.41, which is wrong. But for your own understanding, 40 is less than 41, right? So your smallest number is 306.40. Then 306.41. Now 306 is finished. What comes afterward? 346, 316, 361, 346. So of course 316 comes afterward. So I will write it here. Now what is left here is 346 and 361. 46 is smaller than 61, 361. So from this one and this one, which one is smaller? If I see here, 346 is same, but after decimal it is 01. 01 mean 1 and it is 0.10. So 0.10, if you forget about point and consider it as 10, so it is bigger. So that's why I will write 346.01 and then I will write 346.10. So this is also done and this is done. Now what is left is 361. I will see after decimal because 361 is same in both. So this is 04 and this is 12. So of course 04 is smaller than 12. So I will write 361.04, 361.12. I hope you understood. If you need more clarification, you can write comment and I will get back to you. Now the last question of this video is rounding of the number to the given decimal places. So you know why I'm talking about all this, because when word problem comes, so at times question says write down in 4 decimal place or 2 decimal place. So you should know how to round it off then. So the first number, now let me number them again. first, second, third, fourth. Now let me just rearrange a bit because whole number should be written a little above so that I can write number here, right? Okay. Okay, so now the first number is 8.477. Because I have to round off to whole number, okay, I'm talking about the first one, whole number. This is the whole number. So after decimal, I will see what is the digit, which is 4. I don't care what is afterwards, but right after the whole number, the first digit is on the other side of the decimal is 4. So when digit is less than 4, then whole number remains same. Let's see this case. Digit at the whole number place is 0. But what is the digit right after decimal? It's 5. So it means 0 will increase by 1 and it will become 1. If you see here, it is 18 and the digit after the decimal is 9. So 1 will be added here, it will be 19. What about this one? The digit after decimal is 0.5. So 9 will become 10. Now 1 decimal place. It means again now I have to give answer till here. Till here. Till here. Till here. Okay. So if I have to give answer till first decimal place, then I will see the digit after this. Not what after that also. Just one digit after 1 decimal place. It is 7, which is more than 5, or 5 if it is, then this will increase by 1 number. So it is 8.5. Similarly, I have to stop at 1 decimal place. So digit after this is 6. So 5 will increase by 1. It will become 0.6. I hope you are understanding. Similarly, in the third case, I have to stop till first decimal place. But what is the digit afterwards? That is 9, more than 5. So it means this 9 will increase by 1. It will become 10. Whenever the number is 10, 1 will come to the number next to it. So it will be 19.0. What about the last case? I have to give answer till for 1 decimal place. The digit after this is 4. So 9.5 will not change. Right. Now I am going to 2 decimal place. Give me just 1 second. Okay. Now 2 decimal place. So now I have to give my answer till here. So what is the digit after this? 7. So it means this will increase by 1. So it will be 8.48. Now again here I have to give answer till 2 decimal places. So the digit after this is 2. So this will not increase, it will remain same. 0.56. Now this one. Okay. So up till 2 decimal place I have to give answer till here. But what is the digit afterward? It's 4. It means this will not increase. It will remain 80.99. In case if I had here 5. Now let me tell you here this thing. If I had here 5 here, then up till 2 decimal places, this will increase by 10. This will increase by 10. And this will increase by 10, but I mean to say that when you will add 1, it will become 10, right? So these will become zeros and then 1 will come here. So I will have 9.